Dear students, in my previous class, I have discussed the units of different or various physical quantities which are used in chemistry. Okay, and I hope you have understood the topics I have discussed. Today, I will discuss uncertainty in measurement. So, in the chemical laboratory or in the laboratory, we have to perform variety of measurements with the help of different tools or apparatus. Okay. So, in that measurement, there may have some error or uncertainty. That happens due to two things. One is due to instrumental error and one is due to human error. হয় নহয় অৰ্থাৎ আমি ল্যাবৰেটৰীত বহুতো বস্তু জোখমাখ কৰিব লগা হয় আৰু তেনে জোখমাখবিলাকত কি হোৱা দেখা যায় এৰর বা ভুল হোৱা দেখা যায় and that error is called uncertainty in the measurement. আৰু সেই এৰর দুটা কাৰণত হ'ব পাৰে. One is due to the instrumental error. That means যিটো ইনস্ট্ৰুমেন্ট আমি ইউজ কৰি মেজারমেন্ট কৰিম সেই ইনস্ট্ৰুমেন্টৰ কিছু পৰিমাণে এৰর থাকিব পাৰে. And another is human error. অৰ্থাৎ যিজন মানুহে মেজারমেন্ট কৰিব. That means it depends on the sincerity and expertness of the person who perform the measurement. So there may have some uncertainty or error in the measurement, and that is called uncertainty in the measurement. So the measurement of any physical quantity depends on two factors. One is called precision. And the other is accuracy. Precision and accuracy. That means scientific measurements depend on precision and accuracy. Okay? When the measurement is precise and accurate, then there is a little probability to have uncertainty in the measurement. I know, যদি measurementটো precise হয় আৰু accurate হয় তেতিয়াহলে তাতে error একেবাৰে কম থাকিব আৰু যদি precision বা accuracy এটো যদি lack of precision থাকে measurementত or lack of accuracy থাকে then the measurement may have uncertainty or error. Clear is it? So precision and accuracy is two important factors in the scientific measurement. Now what is meant by precision? Precision means how closely individual measurement agree with each other. And accuracy means how the measurement done experimentally agree with the true or correct value. Correct value. So precision means how closely individual measurements agree with each other, and accuracy means how the measurements done experimentally agree with the true value or correct value. That means when a physical quantity is measured more than one time. Actually, in chemical measurements, not only in chemical measurements, in case of scientific measurements, the measurements are done repeatedly. অর্থাৎ একবার measure করিয়ে এটু confirm নহয়. We need to perform the measurement more than one time. আমি একবারতকৈ বেশি টাইম আমি measurement কৰিব লগা হয়. And যদি আমি 2 or more times measurement কৰো, then if we get different values for the measurement of the same quantity, same physical quantity, then the accuracy means how the different measurements or the different values of the measurement agree with each other. বুঝি পাইছা নে? অর্থাৎ আমি একে physical quantity এটা measure করি, suppose 3 times measure কৰিলো, হয় নহয়? আৰু সেই measurementটোৰ value কেইটা কিমান ওচৰা ওচৰিকে আমি পাইছো, অৰ্থাৎ value কেইটাৰ মাজত ডিফাৰেন্সটো যিমানে কম হ'ব, হেতুকে আমি কি বুলি কম? The measurement is precise. Okay. On the other hand, accuracy means যে measure কৰি আমি যেটো value আমি পালো, সেই ভ্যালুটো accurate ভ্যালুটোৰ কিমান ক্লোজ আছে, অৰ্থাৎ সেই accurate বা actual যেটো ভ্যালু তাৰ কিমান ওচৰা ওচৰিকে আমি পাইছো, হেতু কোৱা হয় accuracy. মই এটা এক্সাম্পল লৈছো. Suppose mass of an object is accurate value যেটো that is say 3.00 gram. It is the mass of an object, and now it is given to measure to 2 students, say student A and student B. Now the student A measures the object, mass of the object 2 times, and he has found the values as 2.95 and 2.95 gram and 2.94 gram. Okay. And student B measures the same object 2 times, and he has also found 2.99 gram and 3.01 gram. And another student measures the same object 2 times, say C, another student C, and he has found 2.94 gram and 3.05 gram. So here you see, in case of student A, the values of the mass of the same object is found as 2.95 and 2.94. That means the two values are very close to each other. I know. একেই অবজেক্ট হেতু মেজার কৰিছে, একুৰেট ভ্যালুটো কিমান হ'ব লাগিছিল? 3.00 গ্রাম. এই স্টুডেন্টটো মেজার কৰিছে এটো and he has found 2.95 gram and 2.94 gram. And the two values he has found are very close to each other, 2.95 and 2.94. So we can say that the measurement is precise. I know a student or measurement to precise. In case of student B, but here you see the measurement is very far from the actual value or actual mass of the object. I know ji duta value paise, hey value duta kintu actual but true jitu weight hobo lagisil, setut koi ki hoise difference to besi hoise. That means the measured values are not very close to the actual value. হয় নহয় জুখি পোৱা মান বা মিজাৰ কৰি পোৱা মানটো actual value to বেছি close হোৱা নাই বা ওচৰা-ওচৰিকে পোৱা নাই গতিকে we can say that the measurement of A is precise but not accurate. এর যেটো measurement সেটো precise হৈছে but accurate হোৱা নাই. In case of B, here you see he has found 2.99 and 3.01. So he has found two values and which are also very close to each other, 2.99 and 3.01. So they are very close to each other. And the two values are also close to the actual value or true weight or actual weight of the object. That means 2.99 or 3.01, these values are close to the actual mass of the object. So we can say that the measurement of B is precise and also accurate. Measurement of B is precise and also accurate. Clear? Here you see, in case of the measurement of C, he has found 2.94 gram and 3.05 gram. So there is a large difference between the values of the measurement and also difference from the actual value. Hai na? Here the duta value paise, value duta close to each other no hai. Besi usora usori value poa nai. And it is also not close to the actual value or true weight of the object. So we can say that the measurement of C is not precise and also not accurate. Now it is clear. So what is accuracy or what is precision? So precision means the how closely the individual measurements agree with each other. Value bilakor majot value bilak kiman close. I don't know how to bujhaise. Closely individual measurements agree with each other. Clear hoise ne? And accuracy means how the measurements done experimentally agree with the true or correct value. Is a measurement kore je keta value paise, hey value to true value to kiman close. Hey to ki boli koa hai? Accuracy boli koa hai. So these two factors are very important in case of scientific measurement. Okay, so when the measurement is precise and accurate, then there may have very small uncertainty or error in the measurement. Aru jodi measurement to precise no hoy, accurate no hoy, tetole measurement to ki thakibo, uncertainty thakibo ba error thakibo. So already I have discussed errors occur due to two reasons. One is instrumental error, অর্থাৎ যেটো instrument use কৰি measurement কৰা হ'ব হেতুৰ কাৰণে error আহিব পাৰে, uncertainty আহিব পাৰে, আৰু এটা হল due to human error, অর্থাৎ যিজনে measure কৰিব তাৰ expertness-ৰ ওপৰত depend কৰিব, হয় না নহয়, আৰু ability-ৰ ওপৰত, sincerity-ৰ ওপৰত depend কৰিব. So this way, simply we can say that there may have some uncertainty or error in the measurement of the physical quantity. So, when we report the values of any measurement, the last digit of the measurement is always considered as uncertain digit, and the others are considered as certain digits. Okay? For example, so here, suppose in case of measurement of the mass of the object by A, he has found two values. One is 2.95, the one is 2.94. So here the last digit 5 and 4, they may be different. I know last digit bilak same quantity jeta measure kora hobo last digit to his measurement or value bilakor last digit to ki hobo pare different hobo pare. And that is why the last digit is considered as uncertain. এই দুটা কি বুলি কোৱা হ'ব? Uncertain বুলি কোৱা হয়, uncertain digit. Uncertain digit. And these are certain. These are certain. Certain digits. So simply you can say that in the values of measurement of any physical quantity, the last digit is considered as uncertain and the remaining digits are considered as certain digits. Okay? Suppose the values of measurement, the value of measurement of a physical quantity, say 2013.54. Something is measured and the value is found 2013.54. Then these digits are certain, and the last one is uncertain. Okay, now it is clear. যে কোনো physical quantity যেটা measure করা হয় সেই measurementৰ যেটো value পোৱা যাব সেই valueটোৰ last digit if there may have many digits, so last digit to সদায় uncertain বুলি ধৰা হয় and the remaining digits will certain. Now it is clear. Now I will discuss scientific notation. Scientific notation. In case of many scientific measurement, the values may contain many digits. Okay? And such type of measurement is expressed in a form that is called scientific notation. অর্থাৎ যদি কোনো measurementত বহুত digit থাকে, large number পোৱা যায়. For example, I will discuss later, number of molecules or number of atoms present in a given amount of a substance. Okay? Given amount of substance or number of molecules naibha number of atoms jodi ami calculate koribo lage, that is a very large quantity. So that type of large quantity is expressed in a scientific notation. Now what is scientific notation? Actually scientific notation is that when a number is written in this form, n into 10 to the power n, when any number is written or expressed in this form, then it is called scientific notation. So here what is n? N is a number which has or which may have only one non-zero digit before the decimal point. That means n must have a decimal point and there may have only one digit and that must be non-zero digit. Now it is clear what is n? N is a number containing a decimal point in which there is one digit before the decimal point and that must be non-zero digit. অর্থাৎ n টো এটা এনেকুৱা সংখ্যা বা নাম্বাৰ য'ত ডেসিমেল পইণ্ট এটা থাকিব আৰু ডেসিমেল পইণ্টৰ আগত মাত্ৰ এটা ডিজিট থাকিব আৰু সেই ডিজিটটো কি হ'ব লাগিব নন জিৰো ডিজিট হ'ব লাগিব ক্লিয়াৰ হৈছে and n is the power of 10 which may be positive or negative integer অৰ্থাৎ এনৰ যেটো পাৱাৰ হেতু তোমাৰ পজিটিভ নাইবা নেগেটিভ কি হ'ব পাৰে নাম্বাৰ হ'ব পাৰে but that may be whole number not fractional number so they are called positive or negative integers বুলি কয় for example suppose we have a number say 0.005724 okay it is a number having many digits so this number can be written in this form in this way it is equal to 5.7243 into 10 to the power minus 3 can it be written or not value is not changed here so this form of the number is called scientific notation so here what is n here it is a number having decimal point and there is one digit only and that is non-zero digit অর্থাৎ 0 বাদ দিয়ে যে কোনো digit থাকিব পাৰিব if you write this number this way 0.57243 into 10 to the power minus 2 then it is not called scientific notation it is not called scientific notation why there is 0 before decimal point and that is why it is not called scientific notation okay again if you write this way say 57.243 into 10 to the power minus 4 then also it is wrong why is it wrong because there are two digits before the decimal point decimal point or agot ki thakil duta decimal digit thakil সেই কারণে এটো scientific notation নহব now it is clear this one is scientific notation but other two forms are not called scientific notation the reason to hol the scientific notation hobo lagile decimal point or agot etai digit থাকিব লাগিব আৰু হেতু non zero digit hobo লাগিব clear hoise so this way we can write any number in this form suppose you have 27349.2.30 suppose so it can be written in this way 2.7349230 into 10 to the power what 5 so then it is called scientific notation similarly suppose 2 can be written as 2.0 into 10 to the power 0 so 2 can be written in scientific notation in this way so in science you will get many constants okay and the values of such type of constants are expressed in scientific notation for example you know charge of an electron is it not electron or charge to তোমালকে জানা কিমান যে 1.902 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb so here it is written in scientific notation minus 19 coulomb So it is scientific notation because there is one digit before the decimal point, and that is non-zero digit. Similarly, you know Avogadro number. Is it not? That is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So this is also written in scientific notation. You will get Planck's constant. Planck's constant, that is 8, and its value is 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second. So this way, in science or in case of scientific formulation, some constants are used and the values of that constant are expressed in scientific notation. Okay, now it is clear what is called scientific notation. Clear, Hussein? And you also read your textbook, then it will more clear about scientific notation. Okay, now I will discuss significant figures. Significant figures. So what are called significant figures? Already I have discussed that in the value of the measurement of a physical quantity, the last digit is considered as uncertain, and the other digits are considered as certain. So the total certain and uncertain digits present in a number or present in the value of a physical quantity are called significant figures. I am again repeating. The total number of certain and uncertain digits. That means total number of certain digits plus one uncertain digit together is called significant figure. Okay. For example, suppose 2.31457. Okay. So it is the value of measurement of a physical quantity, suppose. So here these digits are certain and this one is uncertain. So there are how many certain digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus one uncertain digit, so equal to 6. So there are how many significant figures? So there are 6 significant figures. Okay. And there are some exceptions in case of zeros. When zeros are present in the number, then for zeros there are some rules which are significant. That means zeros are significant or not, that can be predicted with the help of some rules. Okay, and what are the rules? The first rule is, now I am discussing about zeros. Zeros may be significant or may not be. Under what conditions zeros are significant and under what conditions zeros are not significant? Now I am going to discuss. So what are the rules? The first rule is that the zeros which are present at the beginning of a number, at the starting of the number, are always non-significant. That means that zeros are not significant. Clear আছে নে? কোনো এটা নাম্বাৰৰ আৰম্ভণিত যিবিলাক জিৰ' থাকিব, ষ্টাৰ্টিঙত যিবিলাক জিৰ' থাকিব, বিগিনিঙত যিবিলাক জিৰ' থাকিব, জিৰ'জ বিলাক কেতিয়াও significant নহয়. For example, say 0.0023124 5. Now, if I ask there are how many significant figures, then these three zeros are not significant. If significant no. Significant. But these are significant. Non-zero digits are always significant. You should keep in mind, non-zero digits are always significant. So these are significant. Okay. So there are how many significant figures? 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this number, there are 4 significant figures. Clear? The zeros which are present between two non-zero digits are significant. যদি দুটা নন জিরো ডিজিটৰ মাজত জিরো থাকে তেতিয়াহলে সেই জিরো কেইটা কি হ'ব সিগনিফিকেন্ট হ'ব ফৰ এক্সাম্পল say 35002 now if I ask there are how many significant figures, then these zeros are significant because the zeros are present between two non-zero digits. So these are significant now. So there are total how many significant figures? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 significant figures are present in the number. The zeros which are present at the end of the number, these are called tailing zeros. Tailing zeros. The zeros which are present at the end of the number may be significant if there is a decimal point in the number. Otherwise, the zeros are non-significant. Clear আছে? শেষৰ জিরো বিলাক significant হ'ব যদিহে নাম্বাৰটোত কি থাকে ডেসিমেল পয়েন্ট থাকে আৰু যদি ডেসিমেল পয়েন্ট নাথাকে তেতিয়াহলে নাম্বাৰটোত কি নহব শেষৰ জিরো কেইটা significant নহব ঠিক আছে ফৰ এক্সাম্পল suppose 24500 2.4500 so these zeros are significant this time because there is a decimal point. It is clear now? If there is decimal point, the last zeros are significant. Aru jodi etu decimal point na thake, if there is no decimal point, then the last zeros are not significant. Eta ei zero eta significant no hobo. Suppose this time, if I ask there are how many significant figures, then the answer is 3. 1, 2, 3. But when there is a decimal point, now if you are to find out the significant figures, then the number of significant figures is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 significant figures. Okay? When a number is expressed in scientific notation, then how to find out the significant figure? Suppose this one 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Now if we ask there are how many significant figures, then the digits or the significant figures present in this part except the power of 10 exponential form khini bad dibo lagibo ekhinik bad di ei part to non exponential part to jiman kita ki thakibo significant figures thakibo ei gotei number to te himanta significant figures thakibo. For example, in this number there are how many significant figures in this part? 4. So there are 4 significant figures in this whole number. Now it is clear? গতিকে যেতিয়া এটা নাম্বাৰ সাইন্টিফিক নোটেশনত এক্সপ্ৰেছ কৰা হ'ব 10 ৰ পাৱাৰ যেটো এখানে বাদ দি বাকিখিনি যিমানটা সিগনিফিকেন্ট ফিগাৰ থাকিব সেইটোই হ'ব নাম্বাৰটোৰ সিগনিফিকেন্ট ফিগাৰ ক্লিয়াৰ নাও যে when a number is expressed in scientific notation then the number of significant figures are determined from the non-exponential part. Non-exponential part means the power of 10 to বাদ দি বাকিখিনি কি বুলি কোৱা হয় non-exponential part বুলি কয় so non-exponential part to যিমানটা significant figure থাকিব এটোই হ'ব নাম্বাৰটো significant figure. Another thing is that when we count objects, suppose 2 eggs or 3 eggs or 5 marbles, then it has infinite number of significant figures. যেতিয়া কোনো বস্তু কাউন্ট করা হয় যেনে 5 marbles বা 5 egg বলি কলো 5 eggs so 5 eggs এই 5 টোৰ কিমানটা significant figures আছে infinite number. Okay, so counting number you should keep in mind counting numbers bilakor significant figures hobo infinite. Okay, so this way we can find out the significant figures present in a number. Clear? Non-zero digits are always significant. Leading zeros, that means zeros which are present at the beginning of a number are not significant. Middle zeros are significant, and the tailing zeros, that means zeros which are present at the end of the number are significant, will be significant if there is a decimal point, otherwise they are not significant. So this way we can find out the significant figures present in a number. Okay.